Hello, I'm Jason Jarrett, the Love Encore Delivery Specialist at Dutch Miller Subaru, and I'm back today with another tip for you. Now, today what I am going to talk about is going to give you some tips for installing genuine Subaru accessories like a trailer hitch, for example, or maybe a kayak holder, some things like that. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you're going to need to visit your local Subaru parts department and get these parts either ordered or purchase them, okay? Now, once you have the parts, what you're going to do from there is you are going to go to service and make an appointment with them to have a professional install those accessories, because you ain't got no business trying to install that stuff. April Fools. Thanks so much for watching. Have yourself a great day.